Today's top 25 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Windows 11 finally gets an undo button for your entire PC. Windows 11 has received an update that introduces a system restore feature called PITR, allowing users to undo changes made to their entire PC, including files and apps. The update also includes improvements such as pausable Windows updates for up to 35 days, enhanced widgets, and faster File Explorer performance. Windows insiders get more Windows 11 Inbox app updates. Microsoft has released a new set of Inbox app updates through the Windows Insider program, affecting Calculator, Clock, Media Player, and Notepad. These updates, which include bug fixes for Scientific Mode, focus sessions, local album art, and more, will be rolled out to stable channels around next month's Patch Tuesday. The Ford Maverick Hybrid makes a strong case against buying more truck. Ford's Maverick Hybrid offers an affordable and fuel-efficient alternative to large gas-guzzling trucks, priced from $28,145. While options can quickly increase the cost, the base model provides a practical solution for many families, with decent fuel economy and a compact size that fits in tight parking spaces. Microsoft announces 5 new Windows 11 Insider builds. Microsoft released 5 new Windows 11 Insider preview builds across multiple channels, featuring various minor improvements to features such as Start Menu, File Explorer, Narrator, and Widgets. The updates do not include any major new features. Windows 11's new beta build finally adds some much-desired Start customization options. Windows 11's new beta build 26220.8925 adds Start Menu customization options, including size adjustment and section toggles, as well as renaming the recommended section to recent and introducing clearer personalization controls on the Start Settings page. File Explorer now also displays file sizes in sensible units, such as KB, MB, GB, instead of just KB. The rise and fall of an American legend, how the U.S. fell out of love with Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut, once an iconic American brand, is experiencing a decline with locations shutting down across the country. The chain's struggles are evident even in its Tennessee branch, where a bleak atmosphere and long wait times signal a potential swan song for the brand. Walsh, multi-agent research pipeline with risk manager that can veto trades. Walsh, a multi-agent stock research system, demonstrates a total return of 119.75, with a Sharpe ratio of 2.86 over a backtest period from January to December 2023. The system underperformed buy and hold during the bull market period, exiting all positions in October 2023 and holding cash for the month due to momentum signals breaking down. Windows insiders have 1 week to update their PCs, or else. Windows insiders have 1 week to update their PCs to a recent build of Windows, as the current flight certificate expires on August 11, 2026, and a renewed certificate is required for continued insider preview updates. Xbox will finally let you record party chat in gameplay clips, and more. Xbox is rolling out new features for Xbox Series XS consoles, including the ability to record party chat audio in gameplay clips, as well as improvements to achievement viewing and cloud-save data control. The voice chat feature is available to Xbox Insider users in the Alpha Skip-Ahead ring. Anthropic mulls mandatory employee stock trading plans after IPO, the information reports. Anthropic is considering requiring all employees to use 10b5-1 trading plans after its IPO to avoid insider trading concerns. The plans would require employees to sell shares according to preset schedules specifying timing, amount, and price of stock sales. Windows 11 Insider build 29634 requires an update before August 11. Windows 11 Insider build 29634 requires an update by August 11 to remain on a supported build and continue receiving future previews. The updated build includes accessibility improvements such as voice isolation for voice access and plug-and-play support for refreshable Braille displays with narrator. This August 11 deadline could cut off your Windows Insider builds. Windows Insider preview builds will stop receiving updates after August 11, 2026, if their flight certificates are not updated to comply with a planned maintenance. The certificate renewal primarily affects Canary Channel users, but now applies across experimental and beta channels as well, requiring users to update via Windows Update by the deadline. I'm an interior decorator. Here are 8 things I'd never have in my kitchen. An interior decorator shares their personal design philosophy, emphasizing functional and timeless kitchen design. They reveal they would not include 8 specific items in their own kitchen, prioritizing practicality over trends. High Voltage Weekly Recap. ShareFile Threat, Citrix Bleed 2 ransomware, AI coding attacks, and more. Progress urges ShareFile customers to shut down storage zone controllers due to a credible external security threat, temporarily disabling affected account access. Microsoft slipped another Photos app on my PC, and this one wants names. Microsoft has released a new OneDrive Photos app, initially available only to Windows Insider Program members, featuring facial recognition and grouping capabilities. The app also installed on non-Insider PCs running Windows 11, with the experience still in beta while Microsoft continues to gather customer feedback. I've been visiting Hershey Park for over 30 years. Here are 12 things I do whenever I visit the Pennsylvania Gem. Hershey Park Enthusiast shares 12 favorite activities and treats, including starting each visit at the height measuring board to determine ride eligibility. The park's Pretzel House snack bar also offers delicious hand-rolled pretzels in various flavors, perfect for snacking while exploring the attractions. Microsoft rolls out 6 helpful new Windows 11 Insider features for early July, including one built to protect your PC from disaster. Microsoft released several preview builds of Windows 11 in early July 2026, introducing new features and improving existing experiences. The updates include the Cloud Rebuild Recovery feature, designed to protect PCs from disaster, and taskbar position and size options, along with Windows Update improvements to reduce restarts. Bazzite has been an excellent OS for my second gaming PC, but I can't replace Windows 11 with it on my main rig. Here's why. Valve's SteamOS has been praised for its better gaming performance and console-like user interface. A SteamOS clone, Bazzite, offers out-of-the-box compatibility with NVIDIA and Intel GPUs and a smooth handheld experience, making it ideal for couch gaming setups. Microsoft issues a new Windows 11 Insider Experimental, Future Platforms build. Microsoft has released a new Windows 11 Insider Experimental, Future Platforms build, specifically build 29634.1, which includes no major feature updates or changes. Microsoft announces Windows 11 search overhaul with local result priority and ad removal. Microsoft has announced an update to Windows 11 search, prioritizing local results and removing promotional content from web results. The changes aim to enhance the system's ability to handle typos and misspellings, simplifying the home screen and displaying result sources for better user understanding. Windows 11 Insider Preview build 29634. 1000 Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter. Experimental. Future platforms. Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, UI, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter. Microsoft has released Windows 11 Insider Preview build 29634.1 to its experimental Future Platforms channel, featuring a refreshed account management UI and experimental new features. The build includes the renewed Windows Insider Flight Certificate and introduces voice isolation in voice access. Microsoft's new tool will let you rebuild a dead PC without a physical copy of Windows. Microsoft introduces Cloud Rebuild, a new Windows 11 recovery feature that installs a fresh version of Windows directly from cloud servers without requiring separate installation media. The tool can even recover PCs where Windows is damaged or files are missing, making it a more comprehensive solution than existing PC resetting tools. A Microsoft outage blocked Windows updates. Now a fix is being tested. Microsoft is testing a fix for a recent outage that blocked Windows updates, focusing on changes to Windows Update Orchestrator and Arbiter components. The updates aim to improve performance and are currently available in Windows Insider Preview builds 26100.8968 and 26200.8968. Ella Langley's mega hit, Choosin', Texas proves country has become the sound of summer. Ella Langley's country pop song, Choosin', Texas, has become the first country song to top the Billboard Hot 100 chart in nearly 2 decades, spending its 15th week at #1 and surpassing previous records. The song's unexpected success can be attributed to listeners shifting away from pop music and towards country sounds during the summer season. Microsoft just released my favorite old-school Xbox game on PC. Microsoft has launched Xbox backwards compatibility on PC, allowing PC players to play 4 classic Xbox games locally without emulation, including Crimson Skies, High Road to Revenge, with more titles coming soon. The first batch of games requires a GTX 950 or Radeon RX 550 graphics card and is available for download through the Xbox app on Windows PCs. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.